Chevron shares are looking good this morning after reporting results up at looks like up about $4 now, $4.61. For everybody in the mainstream media, $11.6 billion profit, $11.6 billion profit for Chevron. If you do it on an adjusted basis for earnings per share, so you can compare it to estimates, it was $5.82, and the street was looking for $5.10. I guess we can do upstream earnings, $8.56 billion, downstream $3.52 billion. Do we do their revenue numbers, or do we need to always say, well,
the revenue? I think you can do.
You can. It's 68.
Didn't have as many.
Excellent. $68.7 billion, which is well above where the street was. Maybe it's not apples to apples, but they were at 59. Just for comparison's sake, Apple's earnings fell 11% to $19.4 billion. Right. Well, so this is a lot of money. This is a lot of money, but 11.6 is it's not. Yeah.
I mean, the big deal is this is so much more than what they had earned a year earlier. If you're looking at the same quarter a year ago, they were looking at closer to, it was $1.60 on a diluted basis.
Right. This is where you get the windfall profits discussion.
On an adjusted. So you're going from 171 to 582.
Yeah,
and that's where you start getting.
And oil went from, 50 to wherever. And then in 2020, most of the industry lost money. Chevron also said it would buy back up to $15 billion in shares this year. That's raising the guidance for the buyback.
Yeah, before they were saying $5 to $10 billion.
And
now they're saying $15 billion in money coming back. They say that they also doubled their investment compared to last year in both traditional and new energy business lines. I think all of these energy companies are going to be trying to show what kind of capex they're putting back in, how you will be able to grow what you're taking out of the ground at some point as a result of that. And Mike Wirth, the CEO and the chairman and CEO, saying that the company also lowered its debt ratio to under 15%. So they did things like pay off pension settlement costs of $11 million. They did say foreign currency effects increased earnings by $668 million. So the opposite of what we've heard from some of these big international companies. Foreign currency actually having a positive impact.
So they're investing in both. And actually the Manchin deal that we're talking about is much smaller than what the real the Green Lobby wanted, and is more of an all-in. There's something for everyone in it. There's not just solar, but there's also hydrocarbon developments too in the 300+ billion that we're talking about now.